Let me ask you, have you ever taken a cybersecurity course in the past but still feel lost when solving real-world investigations? You sit through hours of lessons, memorize new terms, use new tools, but somehow you still feel stuck when solving real-world problems. Here's why. Most online courses do not teach cybersecurity the right way. They do three things wrongly. 1. They cram cybersecurity courses all at once. Cybersecurity courses like forensics, hacking, cloud security, malware analysis all at once. Because these courses are different, they need deep focus. 2. They prioritize tools over skills. It's not just about knowing commands enough. You need to know how to analyze digital evidence. 3. They do not teach real-world application. When students are done with their courses, they find it difficult to approach real-world problems, collect evidence, and build strong investigative reports. That's why this course is different. We are not just going to teach you tools, we are going to teach you the real-world investigative process, how forensic professionals collect, preserve, analyze, and report digital evidence. And to do that, you'll be getting hands-on experience with industry-standard tools like Autopsy and FTK Imager for recovering deleted files, analyze disk images, and extract hidden digital traces from storage devices. We will also be looking at volatility for performing memory forensics to investigate RAM dumps, detect stealthy malware, and uncover hidden processes. Next, Wireshark. We will use Wireshark, capture and analyze network traffic to track cyber attacks, detect unauthorized access, and reconstruct communication flows. Also, we will dive into Celebrite and ADB. We will be using this tool to extract data from mobile devices, including chat logs, GPS history, and deleted messages. Finally, drone forensics technique. We will extract flight logs, GPS data, and media files from drones used in cybercrime investigation. Now, what are you waiting for? Yes, you. Click on the link below and register. Limited slots are available.